despite doing all these trainings and, you're developing your leaders, you're doing so much of intervention on them, when it comes to promotions, not the right person sometimes gets promoted. Why is it that? Have you seen such a phenomenon in your experience?
Yes, absolutely. And see, again, like I said, sometimes organizations focus only on numbers. Sometimes organizations only focus on that who earned the highest revenue or who achieved certain targets. But that all can be, very, very effective parameters where an individual contributor is considered for promotion. But when you step into leadership role, leadership is way more complex than just numbers or just individual performance. A leader needs many more skills than individual contributor, because he is managing other people. He requires emotional intelligence, he requires communication, he needs to have self-awareness.
He also.
He or she, yes, absolutely. More of she,
Or they.
Yes, but yeah, absolutely. He or she requires, many more complex skill sets than just managing their own performance.
Right.
So they can be, very good individual performers, but when they step into leadership roles, they need to be evaluated on these parameters. At the same time, they need to be developed on these parameters. Sadly, many organizations fail to do that. They at times only look at individual performers or individual performance and don't have mechanisms to evaluate how this person will actually become a better leader. And many a times, that's where leaders also struggle. You were not skilled to take up these challenges, how to handle development conversations, how to mentor people, how to give feedback. Even those most basic things become a challenge for them. And that's where I feel that gap has to be addressed. That when you're looking at promotion, look at the overall role.
Yeah.
And not just what, who the high performer is in the current role, rather what the future skills are for the role that that person is applying for.
Exactly. Yeah, well said.
Hello, dear viewers of this channel. If you came across this channel randomly while browsing something else, it's okay. I understand. All you have to do is to watch some of the videos, listen to the stories of these wonderful women personalities that we bring in here, and yes, do support us. All you can do is to just click on the like button as well as the subscribe button on your YouTube channel. Will you please do that for us? That will be much appreciated. And we can bring in more such women voices as you scroll your phone. Sometimes you might learn something impressive from one of these women. See you there.